Alright, alright, alright. I'm going to be streaming now. Let me get my chat set up on the side of my monitor. Streamer mode enabled. One sec. Alright. How do I re-enable streamer mode? Perfect. Okay, so the plan is to do some development on Firestarter. Mancy is already in the chat. What the hell? Hi Mancy, what's up? What's good? You were like ready. You were like ready to join right away. Just getting everything set up on my side computer here. Okay, yeah. Plan. You're always watching. Jeez. You should like already like move into my closet, honestly. Just live in my closet at this point. Yeah, anyway, plan is kind of to mostly finish the update for my Minecraft server 1.21 update. Before I do that, let me go ahead and just pin the IP in chat here real quick. If I can chat in my own chat. Might not be able to, actually. That'd be a little awkward. Wait, one sec. Just gonna pin it in the chat. If anyone else joins that doesn't know about the server. Sam! Hi, Sam. What's up? How's it going? Yeah, if I can pin that. I don't think I can. I can't access the 3 dots because this thing's in the way. Wait, there we go. Perfect. I did it. You're good? You're vibing? I'm vibing too, actually. I'm feeling like chilling. Feeling the chill vibes today, so I'm gonna do some chill coding. It's gonna be great. I feel it's gonna be great. Sorry I just flashbanged you all. That's my bad. Let me change this to dark mode ASAP. Yeah, I only got a couple things I need to do today in terms of like finishing up Firestarter things. Mainly that consists of like pets plugin, like adding different pet types that I didn't do yet. When did I swap to YouTube? I guess recently. I kind of stopped streaming on Twitch because I did like Bed Wars on Twitch pretty much, but now that I don't really stream Bed Wars, I figured I'd do YouTube because I used to have like coding videos on this channel, so I thought it'd probably fit better. Your eyes exploded. Oh no. I'm sorry, Frodo. That's my bad. I should have prepared the theme before I started. That's my bad. I'm gonna make it a little bigger so you guys can see too, because I know my oh, that's a little too big. My monitor is a little wide, so it shows up kind of small on YouTube sometimes. Hopefully that's legible. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah. Joe, what's up, Joe? You love my server? Thank you, dude. Glad to have you in the chat. I can't see text in my stream. Oh, frick. Oh, frick. Well, it's the best I can do. Hopefully this works. Anyway, before I get started here, I'm Keto Chips. Yeah. I own the Firestarter server. Or I run it, I guess I should say. The real Keto Chips. Like the one that like has the Keto Chip item modeled after them. You know? That's me. You sure you don't remember me? I remember you. I remember seeing you online. It's been a while though. I haven't played in a long time though, too, so. Maybe you've been on and I just haven't seen. I think it's been like 6 days since I've been on Firestarter, which is crime. I've been so busy with other things. Look at Discord. Alright, 2 seconds. I'm going to check it real quick. On my phone, so I don't leak DMs. Alright. Yeah, so anyways, in terms of updating from the Minecraft server, for those of you who like play on the Minecraft server, which is like all of you, basically this is kind of what it looks like. This is a list of plugins that I have that I use. And there's only a couple that I need to fix, like the pets and the night market. Boogs, what's up? What's up? It's been so long. Welcome to the stream. I'm just talking. That's gonna be the whole stream. It's just gonna be me talking. I'm just updating the server. That's all that's happening. There's a couple errors in the console. Oh shit, that's not it. As you can see, there's a couple errors that I need to solve. Once this is all solved, then life will be all good. Are you taking consideration in the KB stick? Yes. I actually did see that. And I think that's a good idea. I will definitely be doing that. Might be like an event item or something that you can get though. Big yapper. Yeah, I got my yapping license a couple days ago, taking full advantage of it. Dude. You know how to create Java class? That's awesome. You should apply for a Firestarter developer. You can code the next Firestarter feature. Alright. There's a little bit of bugs, I think, related to the pets plugin. I'm gonna turn this down to... Okay, where to start? There's a lot of errors in the console. Everything's broken. Everything's on fire. Alright. One thing I need to update is the holograms at spawn. Some of these aren't gonna work properly. Such as, let me check here. If I make a shop, I believe the hologram doesn't spawn right now. Oh yeah. So if I make a shop like this, you'll see the item above the shop does not spawn. And that's related to the holograms plugin. So I need to fix that. So let's do that first. That'll be a good thing to start off on. The console is a fire starter. It's also like, it's more like a forest fire at this point. The fire has started and it's just like spreading to everything else and everything's breaking and it's horrible and broken. But that's okay because we'll fix it. We will be fixing everything today. My goal, honestly, my goal was to have the server done and updated by this weekend. This weekend's kind of basically is gone. I did not get it updated, unfortunately, but you know, it happens. Do you have any idea why Mr. Microwave owned part of Spawn? He unclaimed it. I think it's because anyone can claim Spawn, I'm pretty sure. Like, if you wanted to claim it, you can go and right-click a shovel and claim it. Because I didn't actually make a claim, like a claim at Spawn. I made like it's called a region. And it's technically 2 different systems, so... you know, if you want to go claim Spawn, you can. Take advantage of it while the bug still exists. While it's still possible. But I might be, you know, fixing that at some point. It's been one of those things that I'm just like, I'll fix it one day. You mean done with 1 to 21 or the summer event? Yeah, the summer event's not... Oh shit. Summer event's not gonna happen for a little bit. It's probably gonna be maybe a week or two after, if I after I actually release this update, because yeah, it's taken a while for me to get this all done. I have been busy. I haven't like sat down and worked on Firestarter in forever, really. Until now. Now I'm working on it. Alright. I have to fix a couple things here, because these are for the old version and I gotta make it for the new version. But once that's done, I think it should work. Let me check here. Perfect. I think if I delete this here, perfect. All right, hologram should be fixed once I like upload it. Had to I cannot speak. Yeah, I had to be big adult. I've been working a lot. It's been like pretty much the days I work are just consumed by work. And then I did nothing else, which sucks. And then I've been just hanging out with friends, to be honest. Like, that's not really big adult. That's just, I've just been doing that, so. Haven't been at my computer in like a while. Yes, dude. Kraft mac and cheese. I bought the cheapest hot dogs today, like the cheapest hot dogs I could find at the store, so I can definitely make some Kraft mac and cheese and hot dogs. I'm following your advice. Please add a Skibidi toilet update. I'm going to ban you from the chat. Oh my god. Eating Church's chicken mac and cheese? Hell yeah. Chicken mac and cheese sounds so good. Gyat Skibidi toilet on God no cap Riz brain rot you wouldn't download a JPEG. What are other things people say? I don't know brain rot speak. I've heard of Church's chicken, honestly. But I've never tried or seen. Alright, well, we fixed the hologram, as you can see. It's like working now. That's like really cool. I love when things work. These to work too. That was my old testing area. I forgot about this. Okay, things work. Very cool, very cool. There's still more bugs though. Looks like there's some shop issues. Chick-fil-A disregarding the homophobia. Yeah. I've never tried Chick-fil-A mac and cheese. The only thing I ever get there is the spicy chicken sandwich, or the spicy chicken whatever, the meal version, you know? This is so W Sigma L Skibidi Agia to subscribe. Hell yeah, dude. I'm on my way to getting 4,000 subscribers for the 5th time, guys. For the 5th time, because, you know, I get 4,000 and then I immediately lose about 10 subscribers on this channel. So if you guys subscribe, that would mean the world to me, because I could reach my milestone again for the 5th time. That'd be very, very big dubs, no L, big W, if you guys did that. What's this guy? Okay. High Purity's supposed to join me later in voice chat, so I won't be talking to myself the whole time. You will make big number accounts for me. Thank you, dude. I'm gonna be the next Mr. Beast. I'll be giving people houses with Minecraft laptops soon. That'll be me. Okay. Let me look where this is happening. Fallback provider. Let's look at that thing. What is that? Mr. Kita. Hell yeah, dude. That has a ring to it. Yep. Also, one thing I noticed today, I opened my code for Firestarter, and some things that I coded, like, maybe a month ago, just got rolled back somehow. Like, this code here was completely broken for some reason, even though I made the changes, and I made them on a live stream, like the first live stream I made on this channel. And I looked back, and the changes were there, but then they were just gone. So I don't know what happened, but I had to redo a bunch of stuff today. So that was weird. I don't know what happened. You still haven't finished your PC? You called Divs next? Alright, sounds good. First in line. Do you play basketball? I'm not good at it. That's for sure. I guess I do. Are the changes too large to save? No, I don't even know. I think it's just some weirdness happened. I don't know. Maybe I like accidentally rolled them back. Because I have like a version control system that keeps track of changes. I might have accidentally clicked like the rollback button or something and reverted whatever I did. But either way, it's weird. So I don't know. Anyway, entity type cannot be parsed as item. Why are we getting entity type here? I think the pets plugin's breaking the server. Let me check here. I have a feeling that if I delete the pets plugin that this would not be happening right now. So let me do that theory real quick. Something's wrong with pets. It's breaking the registries. You silly Billy. Yeah, that's me. KFC or Popeyes? Well, I've never tried KFC. But I like Popeyes. Popeyes is good. It's always Pets. Honestly, Pets is like the single most poorly written plugin on the entire server. I like guarantee you $100 that I guarantee $100 to everyone in the chat that this is going to be fixed. This issue that was just showing up is going to be fixed by me removing Pets. Like, you won't see that same error in the console. And it still hasn't shown up. And if it does show up, I'm just going to end the stream so it doesn't get broadcast to your screens and I don't have to pay you $100. So, either way, good deal. But yeah, looks like Pets actually was breaking it. So I think the next natural step is to fix Pets. Because it looks like everything else really works. Night Market's broken, but that's a configuration bug. Everything else is green, so we are in the green. Time to negotiate some more. I still owe you like 350k or whatever. Was that what it was? You're probably going to say yes even if it's not. If it's a higher value than I'm actually supposed to give you, but I wouldn't know. I can't remember. Alright. Entity registry. Nope. I'm in the wrong plugin. I need Pets. That's what I need. Entity registry. Oh, and what I'm doing right now is I'm making a folder on my computer called updates, which I'm storing plugin jars that I need to copy to the main server once I'm done updating. So these are the plugins that I've changed so far that aren't my plugins. So I'm just keeping them in here so they're all organized so I remember what I need to copy when I'm actually updating. So I'm being a little bit organized about this. 450k? I don't owe you 450k. There's no way. There's no way. You're scamming me right now. Is that true? Okay. And then, yeah. This is the class. This file here always breaks every version update, but it's not obvious that it breaks because it uses a thing called reflection in Java, which means it evaluates this thing at runtime, meaning it's not obvious that it's broken until like you get major errors. I know that this right here where it says G is broken because it's trying to register an entity type inside of the item registry, which item is not an entity, so that's why it's broken. What I need to do for that is I need to download mappings. So I'm going to do that real quick. So I have to look at Minecraft 1.21. It's definitely 350. You're right, Mancy. You convinced a random person to buy you a pink Mercy skin? Hell yeah. I should play Overwatch. I liked Valorant. I feel like I'd probably like Overwatch. It's just like the learning curve for me. It's probably not even that hard. I just get easily overwhelmed by like everything that's going on the screen. But I'm supposed to play Overwatch with like Curly. Like I promised her I would, so maybe I'll get into Overwatch. Anyway, I just downloaded this 7 megabyte text file, which is going to be a pain to search. But in this file, it will contain everything I need to find what this value needs to be. So it's definitely not G, it's going to be something else. But this file will tell me. And I just closed the file. Crap. We're going to open the file again. We're going to go through all of that again. And it's going to be F. Look at that. Item is what it was registering into. It was putting an entity type in item, which is not valid, so I need to put in an F. Bug is fixed. 1v1 you Valorant? Alright, Proto, you gotta remind me. We're gonna 1v1. I'm gonna be so rusty. I'm like actually so rusty. Yeah, I'll let you know if I feel like playing Valorant, Sam. For sure. Valorant, Overwatch. Sorry, I got that confused. That's my bad. I guess I should check this too. Intrusive holder cache. Let's see if I can find that here. That's not in there. How about unregister intrusive holders? Ah, it's M. It's still M. Perfect. And then frozen. What's it called here? Frozen. Oh shit. Go back. Frozen is L. Okay, perfect. So these are all fine. If I package this up, it should at least start. Proto is a CS2 player? Oh shit. I'm so screwed. Proto's gonna be like actually making fun of me the entire time for being so bad. But it's fine. Can't be good at everything, I guess. That's just copium right there. Alright, let's see if Pets does not break the server. Pets is still not gonna start because it has a weird bug that I'm gonna get to, but right now I'm avoiding that bug because I'm just taking the easy route here, and then I'll just like avoid it until it becomes unavoidable, and then I'll actually have to face the issue. Just like yeah, my thing does not want to go to that folder. Okay, I guess I'll have to go there manually. Pets. Target. Dependency. Drag. Upload. Restart. Like all my problems in life? Yeah. If you did coding in front of me, I'd make fun of you. I wouldn't make fun of you. I'd just... I don't know. Maybe I would. I don't know. I'll have to think about that one. I'll get back to you on that. Alright. So pets? Wait. It works. I actually fixed pets. Wait, the other bug that I said I would have to fix, but it's not broken. It fixed. The thing I just fixed like both issues. Wait. Oh, wait. Okay. Okay, wait. There's another issue that I didn't know about. But pets loads now, which it didn't before. So, success. Alright. Now we just have to fix this other bug that got created. But making good progress. Pets loads. Very cool. I love that. Entity my zombie villager has no valid my pet. Let's see here. It's probably entity registry, something, whatever, something, init, something. Cannot invoke because supplier is null. Alright, cool. Must be over 18 plus to add me. Yeah, you squash a bug and then you just get fucking 10 other ones. They duplicate like cockroaches or something. But not cool cockroaches, not ones that like dance with little hats and trumpets or maracas. Yeah. The nasty kind. The ungood kind. Why does it have no valid my pet entity? I think it's because of this garbage here. And I think I know why. It's my pet type, entity type. Yep, cool. I changed something in this file, which I can check what I changed, but I believe that is why it is not working. And it's gonna be entity registry. You'll see my changes here. I can optimize imports here. Okay. I rewrote this whole thing. And what is types? LaType. Very cool. Dancing cockroaches would be a sick pet add-on. You know, I kind of agree, honestly. We should add that to Firestarter. Yeah, Matt, adding an Ender Dragon is just not really it's probably possible, but it's like gonna take more time than I want to spend on it. Like if you check the entity my Ender Dragon, it's just super busted right now, the code for it. It barely works. Like the Ender Dragon, it spawns but it flies backwards. So the position's completely wrong, the rotation's wrong, it's very laggy, so it's yeah. That's for another day. Maybe one day I'll be bored and I'll be like, yeah, I'll do that, but for the time being it's fine. Slash Minecraft. Shoot. Summon my pet. Nope, it didn't even register. Okay. That's gonna be a fun one to fix. Let's see, pet key. Let me check what code is calling this, and then I will go ahead and figure it out. So, still supplier is null. Map compute if absent. Attribute map pathfinder entity my pet. All right, let's check that. Entity my pet, and it'll be on the constructor. You should play Roblox. You know, I did play a bit of Roblox a while ago. I played Rat Washing Simulator. I was really into Rat Washing Simulator. Like, that game was, like, really fun for no reason. I don't even remember what they're called, those type of games, but You just grind them, like tycoon games. That's what they're called. Tycoon games are fun. Imagine 12 to 20 players having that. Yeah, that would suck. What I really wanted to do is, you know how like there's the gnome boots, like slash give item keto chips gnome boots, the gnome slippers. Oh, yeah, those don't make you small anymore. I need to fix that. That's funny that it doesn't work anymore. I need to fix that. Okay. Anyway, I think these ones should work because they're old. Yeah, perfect. You know how they make you small? I thought that I could apply that entity scale thing to Ender Dragons and make them small, but it turns out Ender Dragons are like the one entity you can't make small that way. So I was gonna do a pet, like a pet dragon that you can win as a part of an event, but since you're not able to make it small, it just kind of doesn't make sense for me to do it, because then like it's obnoxious to have someone with a massive dragon. But yeah. Don't worry, guys. I'll fix the small boots. Actually, the reason the new ones are broken, the ones I just gave myself, is because I didn't bother fixing that yet. It's I think it's in this file here, attribute. I basically commented out all of this code, so none of it runs because I didn't know how to fix it when I was first updating to 1.21. But I'll go back to this and fix it later. There's a couple other items like that I need to fix. Only a couple, like 5, but some of these need to be tested, and these I'm not even sure what's up with those. So I'll fix those later. What type of server do I use? I don't use Fabric. I use Paper MC. I would like to use Fabric. In an ideal world, I would port everything I have to Fabric, but all of my plugins are written for Paper, and it would just be way too much. It would take way too much time for me to actually change all of that over right now, so one day I think I will maybe consider doing that, but it's just not worth it right now. Okay, 157 is breaking. It's this here. Pathfinder mob. Get entity type. This is breaking here. I wonder why that's not working. What's broken here? Oh, it's a stupid generic. Alright, I'm gonna leave that as is then. I think it's something with this that I broke. So it registers the entity type. If it's null, it registers it. And then it puts it in there, and then it does the thing, and then it replaces default attributes, entity types dot get pet type. So entity type. No. Wait, what? Entity types is world entity type. It should accept this. I'll have to make that generic entity type. And then what's going on here? Custom type root type entity type. Oh my god, my head is hurting right now. What is happening here? I have to look at the old code to figure out what it was doing, because I must have re-implemented it wrong. Let's see, entity type was le type versus entity registry get. Oh, okay. I got this. Entity registry.get registry key gets the Minecraft version of the pet. So var Minecraft key. I'm getting it now. Default namespace key, and then I will give it entity type. I'll get the registry, entity registry. Shoot. Dot get Minecraft key. And then I might have to do this still. Okay, that should work. I've not been reading chat, sorry guys. Vanilla commands can make you change the size of things. Yeah, Igel, it can. It can. Boogs, you're probably gone already, but if you're not, I hope you have a good one. See ya. Thanks for stopping by. Use ChatGPT. That's a cop-out. Why would I do that? Yeah. Okay. I believe the rest of this code should work, so let's just try it. This code is a mess, but I rewrote it to at least be a little better. A little better is still not great, but a little better is a little better. So we'll stick to that for now. Replace default attributes, my attributes, register. That should fix it, 100%, that should fix it. 100. And if it doesn't fix it, I owe you all one weekly vote crate key if this does not work. So, lots on the line here. Lots on the line. Alright, I think it should. Wait, no. That's a different bug. Give me a sec. It works. Oh, it works. Never mind. That was a different. Oh, shit. What's wrong here? Precondition. Something. Wait, 2 seconds. Okay. Pet call. Okay. Like it works, but something else broke. So does that count? Do I still like owe you? Do I still owe you a key? Like, I mean, like it works. Like the thing I was doing works, but like something else in the plugin broke. So, really, like, fuck. I guess I do. I kind of panicked there. I'm not gonna lie. I was really panicking there, because I saw the bug, and then it was not that bug, and then anyway. So what's the issue here? You guys all should DM me saying that I owe you a key so I don't forget. Alright, let's check here. Craft mob, craft my pet, perfect. I need to go in there. Let's see what's wrong here. Super entity my pet, reflection util, set entity type. Let's check here. Craft mob. Initializes goes to craft entity. Let's craft living entity. We need to go to craft entity. Alright, cool. And the bug is occurring at line 86. That's not possible because this is line... A couple lines are just like skipped. Okay, well... It's occurring at Minecraft 2 bucket, which is here. And oh, okay. I think this is a new issue that is occurring with this new update, actually, because I don't believe that was here before. Yeah, Minecraft 2 bucket. My DMs are gonna be filled tonight. Yeah. Sorry, Matthew. I get overwhelmed when there's a lot of messages. I'm just like, I'll just like deal with that a little bit later, and then it's like 2 days later, and then I check it, and then it's like 20 messages. So you know. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna have to go about this a little differently here, because it looks like... Oh gosh. Craft namespace key from Minecraft. Registry.get resource key Minecraft. Or else throw.location. Okay, so I think there's one thing I have to try, and that might not fix the issue. Another thing I can do, yeah, okay. What I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna have to change this to with default namespace and hope it works. If this does not work, then the other thing I have to do is I have to modify the craft registry to inject my custom values, which would really suck, and I don't want to have to do that. So I'm gonna just hope that this right here works. And if it doesn't work, then I must, yeah. Then if not, then I'll have to go and do this. I believe it's actually handled somewhere in my pet for this simple registry garbage, but anyway, let's see if it works here. All right. Restart. My music's gone. No. I'm gonna listen to Minecraft Lo-Fi. Hell yeah. There you go. Alright. Let's see if my thing works. This should work. I think the reason it broke is because I tried to change it so that the pets would have my pet in front of them, like my pet colon pig underscore pet instead of Minecraft pig underscore pet. So it's more organized than the actual internally in the game, but I think that broke it. So let's see if that works. Pet call. No, okay. Let's see what the issue here is. Yeah, it's the same thing. So I think that's just caused by a change in bucket. So I'm gonna have to go around that, and I'm gonna have to add my custom type into craft bucket, which really sucks. Your pet's colon. Yeah, my pet is the name of the plugin, you know. So yeah. I still remember a guy who joined the server and hacked and said he had the no scope 3780 FPS toilet monitor, runs on poop and runs. I regret reading that. I'm just gonna not look at chat from now on. Yeah, I remember that guy. Yeah. That guy. That guy's a real silly man. All right, craft registry. Shoot, that's not all. Craft registry. Get Minecraft registry. Craft registry. That's the class I want. And then the class that I need inside of here is simple registry. Okay, wait. I might be able to do this here. Might be able to register it there. Let's do look into bucket registries. And then I'll do registry, but I have to do the bucket registry. So registry, this one dot entity type dot, can I register? No. It is a registry, which I have to cast to simple registry. Hopefully it lets me access it. What is simple my pet registry actually? Oh, simple my pet registry implements registry. Perfect. Wait. That's fine then. So where does this get hooked in? Custom bucket registry. Oh, okay. This is what's wrong. Okay, wait. I don't have to do all this. It's already done for me. Because I made a change to how it works, I have to change this. Perfect. So instead of doing namespace key from string that, I'll just have to add it underneath here. Perfect. And technically all entities in the registry are block display entities, but that's fine. Add custom. Perfect. And then I do want to see if I can make this work here. Get Minecraft registry from Minecraft. Yeah. Okay. Well, that in theory should work. I'm going to go ahead and compile it. Yeah, we'll check. He's gone forever. Yeah, guys, I'm gone. I'm sorry. My bad. Just had to quit without saving on chat real quick. Okay, well, this guy that wrote the My Pet literally wrote like an entire story about why this line exists. It's a whole little bedtime story. This is bad. Now onto the trickery. Basically, we need to tell Bucket that we are block display. Yep. Very cool. You just talked to the real Haley? That's crazy. I hear her talking in the other room. She's like saying words. She's like speaking. Just like me, bro. She could probably hear me speaking. Isn't that crazy? That is insane. My music's go. Oh. Apparently I watched the entire music. I watched the entire hour of the synth music. She's playing Lethal. Yeah, she's been wanting to play with the car, with the new Lethal update where they added the stupid truck. I want to see that thing drive, cause she said she heard you. I'm just that loud. I'm just that loud like that. Frick, it's still broken. What's wrong here? Something else must be broken. Sometimes pets glitch out unless you rejoin, but I don't think that's the cause here. Yeah. Cannot invoke. Well, it's a different bug than before, so we're moving on. You blew up the truck? Yeah, I was so disappointed. I saw you just turn it on and then it just exploded before you can even drive it. But that's okay. Not all of us are capable of driving a vehicle, I guess. Yep. Okay, attribute supplier, create instance, boom, 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 boom. Thing does that, and then it calls that by that thing, and teleport thing. So attribute, alright, cool. I basically have to figure out where else my pet underscore is used. Which doesn't look like it's used really anywhere. My pet underscore. Alright. I think that's really regardless of, or not regardless, unrelated to that. Okay. Overwrite entity ID. Entity registry, put. Let me just verify that this is correct here. It should be D. E, mapped registry. Defaulted registry. It's supposed to be in defaulted registry. Defaulted registry is probably a mapped. No, it's not. E. To ID. ID mapper. Mapped registry. B, D. It's probably fine. This is probably fine. If it's not, then they'll suck. They added a truck. Yeah, they added a freaking diesel truck that explodes very quickly because it is bad. It's bad. It's built by who makes bad cars? I don't know. It's built by the worst car company. And the engine overheats really quickly. So that sucks. Ford, Mercedes, No, Nokia. Yeah, the Nokia cars. Yeah. Those ones, man, can't handle those. Fast map. Put fast. What the fuck? What is this? Okay. Ba ba ba. Reading this bug is going to be a little bit difficult because it just explodes. Yeah, it just explodes. It catches fire. This bug is going to be difficult because it's not really giving me like anything to work with here other than this, which is a little annoying. Attribute map. Whoops. Attribute map, which I can look into. Supplier, attribute map. Do I have anything that gets created here for attribute map? No. Where does it get created? AI, living entity, collect equipment changes. Yeah, something's kind of on good here. I'm not sure why. I might have to just print out these values and see what happens. Because I don't know that I can debug this from here. Get attribute, default attribute. Yeah, that should work. Entity registry, get my pet. Type. Entity classes inverse. Very cool. That seems to work. And then entity registry, entity types. Get the type. So it's my pet type to entity type. This might be broken actually. I believe that might be broken, but let me double check here. What is... Oh my god. I just fucking closed everything. I closed everything in existence. Let me go back. Entity type. No, that's correct. What I was doing was correct, so that's not the issue. This is where I'm gonna have to really think about this, cause I don't know what's going on. Well, it's gotta be something wrong with this here, because it's erroring when it tries to get instance from attribute map, meaning this value that it returns is somehow broken. So I need to fix whatever is in here somehow. Something's broken. So obviously entity registry is fine. My pet type for the class is probably fine, but I will print it out just in case. Then it gets the entity type, which is the reverse of the type, which is fine. So we'll print out the type. This should be correct. I don't believe there's anything wrong with that one. And the only other issue I see here is my attribute defaults to get attribute. So the provider here is wrong, which means this is probably not correct, which means this might be wrong. And I'm not entirely sure what's wrong with that, but let's do this. Let's upload this to the server with the Prince NC Force. Justin! Hi Justin, what's up? What's good? How's it going? I'm midlife crisis debugging. Midlife debugging crisis. Trying to figure out why things are not working, and it's I'm onto it though. I'm onto it. Your little walrus. Oh my god. Is that Bonesy as well? Hello. Hi. Hi peoples. Welcome to the chat. Welcome to yeah, just welcome. Hi. I already owe a couple people weekly keys because I was gonna fix a bug and then it didn't actually get fixed, but I promised it would get fixed, so I'm getting set back here. Let's check here. Let's see. So I've been trying to spawn a wolf. Looks like that doesn't really help me. Let's see if it prints out anything when I try to. Oh, it just works now. It just works, I guess. Let's see. Del Monte employee. Oh, that doesn't work. Okay. So it looks like it's broken when I try to teleport the pet. But if I like spawn it, it just works. Which is a little peculiar. I'm sorry if you can hear screaming kids outside my window. There's kids in the pool. Okay. So the pet works. If I do /pet call, it does work. So it's just some pets that aren't working, which is a little bit weird. Because that's a bit of an intermittent issue then. Like Phantom works. If I go to Rob. Where's Rob? I think Rob's broken. I don't think Rob is making it out. Let's see here. Rob is a Vex, I think. What is Rob? Rob is... Where's Rob? I lost Rob. Okay, how about Bob? Bob works. Rob... Yeah, Rob is a Vex. Vex does not work. Yeah, it does print out Vex correctly. So maybe it's because... Let me check here. So we got entity type dot vex, create attributes, and then let's do armadillo and see what the difference is here. Mob.create mob attributes, monster.create monster attributes. Well, these should work regardless. And I think, yeah, monster implements mob. I think it's intermittent. Like, if I restart the server, I feel like Rob might work. So, I'm not entirely sure what is up with that. So, I might just have to call that a fix later sort of thing once I can look into it. Because I'm about done with trying to fix that one right now. But let's see what happens after I restart the server. Alright, let's pull out Bob. Bob works. Rob does not work. Okay, so it's not intermittent. It's just some pets have weird issues with the attributes, which is a little bit strange to say the least, because like that works, but if I pull out Del Monte employee, it's not gonna work. It does, however, up here say it did register one for giant pet. So anyways, like I said, I will probably go ahead and try to debug that a little bit later. See if I can get that to work. For now, I will go ahead and print out... What can I print out here? Root type. It might also be an issue with this root type, so I'm gonna actually print this out for the next time I'm starting the server and see if maybe some of these just have an invalid type attached to them. And maybe that'll tell us why it's broken. Okay, anyways, aside from that, the next thing I do need to do is there are 2 new mobs in Minecraft. One of them is the Breeze, which did not get spawned. I just spawned a Breeze and it didn't appear. No Breeze. Oh, I might be in peaceful mode. Difficulty easy. So there's a Breeze. I need to add that as a pet. The thing that this needs to do is throw wind charges instead of snowballs when attacking other mobs. So that'll be a fun one to implement. And then I also need to implement the Bogged, which is just a skeleton. The skeleton will be pretty easy. Pretty much a month ago, I consolidated all the skeleton code. So if there's a skeleton pet, it implements my skeleton, I believe. So entity my wither skeleton. Oh shoot, no, I didn't do that. You know what I did? Entity my zombie. I made everything implement zombie, like husk and villager. But I did not do the same thing for skeletons, which is okay because there's only really 2 skeleton types. So I guess I'll do the same thing for skeletons right now. Yeah, let's do that then. And also there's, what is it? Entity my stray. I think those are the only skeleton types. But what I'll do now is I'll consolidate the code for skeletons so it's all nice and organized. Let me see where it shows the bogged. Strays and bogged are the only types. Okay, perfect. So let's do that. I'm gonna remove entity size from all these because that's not really necessary anymore. Perfect. And then I will go ahead and go to my skeleton. And under this type, I will go ahead and consolidate it. So we'll go to my wither skeleton as well. And what I need to do basically here is I need to simplify the code. So you'll see that this code is basically the exact same. It's just duplicated twice for the same pet type. Like essentially, because they're both skeletons, they both kind of function the exact same. And so the original author of this plugin basically copy-pasted this file across all the skeleton types. Versus what I did for zombies, let's say we're going to do my husk. It implements a zombie, so it borrows all of this code, so it doesn't have to write it like twice. So I'll do the exact same thing here with my wither skeleton. I'll make it extend my skeleton. There's a difference, I guess, the my pet lava entity, which normal skeletons don't implement, but we'll worry about that later. Yeah, we'll worry about that later. I don't think it really affects the functionality anyways. And then we'll extend my skeleton here. We'll remove... Actually, we'll keep that. Yeah, perfect. And then we'll remove code that is duplicated, which is, I think, pretty much going to be 100% of it. It looks like this is all the same. I will just verify, though, that it is the same. It looks like it is a little bit different. The only thing that looks like it's changed so far is the read extended info, and probably... It's probably going to be one called the write extended info here. Although... Oh, there's a thing that marks it as a wither skeleton, but I don't think it's ever used anywhere. Let me check. Wither. Info.remove. If info.contains wither, this is for a wither skeleton converter. Okay, well, I'm going to fix that later. So basically, I don't need anything in the wither skeleton that's not in a normal skeleton. They function identically. The only difference is that this has a check for wither skeletons, which we don't need. And yeah, is stray type equals 2. Yeah, we don't need any of this in this one here. So what I'll do, pretty easy here. I'll just delete all of this type stuff and this stuff. The only thing I'll override is the pet type, so I did the same exact thing for my zombie. Perfect. So that simplifies that code. It's not duplicated twice. And actually, where is it? My husk, yeah. I'm actually even going to just delete this. This isn't necessary. My skeleton, I will have to change this a little bit. There's a type tag for this, which makes no sense to include, because technically my wither skeleton is a completely separate type. So I will refactor this in just a second. But let's implement the bogged while I'm at it. So we have my wither skeleton. I'll go ahead and copy that file and call it my bogged. And actually, I don't need this here as well. Shoot. Perfect. So let's do my bogged. One thing I will need to create is this other class here. So I will also copy that one, call it my bogged as well. And the only difference I'm going to make here, only change is I'm going to remove the lava pet because it's not. And I'm going to give it some more food. Food can be multiple items, so I'm going to give it red mushroom and... yeah, I'll give it red mushroom and brown mushroom as food for now. I think that probably makes sense for them to eat because they have fungus growing on them or something. So we'll do those two for now for food that the pet can eat. And then we'll make it extend my bogged instead of skeleton. And then we also need to make a pet entity type called bogged, which I'm going to do here. I'll try to put it in alphabetical order. So bogged, and I'll do what I did for armadillo here. 1.21, my bogged. We're gonna move all this garbage here. 1.21, call it bogged. And I believe that's all you need to do there for that. There's a lot of duplicate kind of code in this plugin, but this is kind of how it's structured, so I'm gonna structure it the exact same way. And then the last thing I need to do is make an entity my bogged. Entity my wither skeleton. This is gonna extend entity my skeleton. And should be good. I'm going to make this exact same thing. Actually, yeah. Yeah, okay, perfect. You'll make the exact same thing, but just for entity, my bogged. I'll extend entity, my skeleton, because a bogged is a skeleton. And then it'll be my bogged here. And then I just need to do the sounds. I believe it does tell me here what the sounds are. I think it's the exact same thing as the skeleton ones. It's just obviously the name here. The only difference here is that you can shear the bogged. I don't know if I'll implement that right now. I don't know if it's worth implementing that. as like a pet feature. I don't know if you should be able to shear your pet necessarily, but yeah, I'll probably leave it out for now. But maybe in the future I'll add it so you can shear the bog when you have it as a pet. But yeah, for the most part this should be it. The only other place I do need to add it is the My Attribute Defaults. This one does not automatically get populated, so that sucks. But, in fact, I could probably make this automatically do its thing. But for now, we'll roll with it. And that should be good. Let's make sure this is all nice and organized. And I don't know. Oh, there's also the egg converter service thing. Where is it? My pet converter service. This is for 111. Wow. What the hell? This is unused, I think. Yeah, this is unused actually. The service never gets used, so I think I can delete this, honestly. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna delete this and hopefully we'll be okay without it. Doesn't look like it's used anywhere. So that'll save us an extra place we have to ever change. And then I'm going to refactor this main class. There's a type that is stored here. That's not necessary anymore. And the wither thing here, also not necessary. This is fine. Is wither, set wither is irrelevant. Is stray is irrelevant. Set stray is also irrelevant. All of that is handled differently now, so it'll be a little bit cleaner. I do have to remove that from the main class here, but that's okay. Type, set type, get type, don't need that. And let's clean that up. So we just deleted a bunch of logic that is actually technically unused, which is good because we don't need to ever touch that again. So perfect there. And I don't know if there's any other place I need to touch to actually make this work. I think there's this egg icon service that I need to do here too. So let's do that. Let's add a case for bogged. I think bogged has an egg, so let's add that. What else here? Armadillo. Anywhere I added armadillo, I definitely want to add a bogged in as well, but I believe that's good, so we will stick with that. I am going to compile this real quick just to test out the bogged, and then I'll be on to the breeze, which will be a little bit of a, it won't be quite a breeze to implement, but it will be definitely a fun one to implement. And my idea for the breeze is to do something. I forgot. I'll have to remember it. I just forgot exactly what I was going to do, but I'll be on there. Oh, Hypurity called me. Let me call him back. Let me call Dude Bro back. Looks like
I called you twice. Thank you very much.
Listen, alright, I got streamer mode on.
You need to be a better streamer and check your chat.
Is my chat broken?
Yes, it's very broken.
Wait, is my chat frozen or something? Am I not?
No, I broke it.
Wait. Let me refresh this. Refresh. Is my chat desynchronized? Oh my god, it is desynchronized. I have not seen anything that anyone has said for the last forever.
Oh really? You didn't see what anyone said ever?
Yeah, it froze. I think it froze like maybe 20 minutes ago. Oh my god.
That's so sad.
Sorry guys, I have not been ignoring you, I swear.
Bad stream.
Frick, bro. My laptop, like, the web page froze for the stream chat.
No.
Now I'm paranoid that that's gonna happen again.
Don't worry, I'll keep an eye out for you. I gotta get my. Do I have to have a YouTube account to watch YouTube streams?
No, you don't.
Okay, then I can just pull it up here.
Yeah.
On my Arch laptop.
I have it on my Dell Latitude.
Oh, right, you were telling me about that one.
Yeah.
Dude, there's a sick deal on a laptop. And I don't need a laptop, but I kind of want to pick it up.
Which one? What's it? What's the laptop?
It's a one of the yoga ones.
Lenovo.
Yeah, the Lenovo yoga ones. It's got the newest i7. Like I don't know that the what's it called? The specs on it are really good. It's got 16 gigs of RAM, and it actually is a dedicated GPU, and it's got that like flexible form factor, and it's like $450.
I like
I don't know.
honestly, I like yogas, but I like the ThinkPad yogas specifically.
I
Like,
love ThinkPad.
I used to have a
You
ThinkPad yoga.
Really?
Yeah.
Dude, I just need a free laptop, which I'm never gonna get working in sales.
Yeah. I mean, $450 though.
Yeah.
Kind of sounds good.
I'm not gonna buy it, but I don't even have my employee discount yet.
Haven't worked there long enough.
Nice Sally gel.
Sell Egel.
I get it soon. Dude, you know if you look up technical toolbox or tech toolbox, you don't even come up.
I know. I'm dead, bro. My channel's dead. YouTube hates it. It's dying.
Someone took over your. There's a new tech toolbox channel with 600 subs.
Frick, dude. I don't even exist to YouTube anymore.
Oh my god.
I literally don't exist.
You gotta watch this guy's YouTube videos. The guy who took over you is one of those like AI content creators.
Oh
Like,
no.
it's like, oh my gosh.
I got taken over by AI. The world is literally over.
Mm-hmm.
It's
Well,
actually
the guy
over.
promoting it. Like, you know how like so the short form content creator people
Yeah.
kind of I
They
don't know
just
how to
spam
explain it.
YouTube.
Dude, I
Spam
can
YouTube with
actually
shorts.
not find you.
This is just a past
whatever.
recording. Yes, iGel, it is.
Dude, where are you?
Search
I actually can't go to-
sys.overflow. That's the
I
only way you
did.
can find it.
I
At-
did.
at-
Overflow. I'm getting Blake's Aquatics.
Wait, do at sys.overflow. You have to do the at. It's the only way you can find me, bro.
Dude, we.
It's so bad. Yeah.
This is bad.
It's
Alright,
over
I
for
got
me,
you.
bro. My YouTube is blocked. It's destroyed. It's gone. Oh
Alright,
well.
You're up on my laptop now.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know what to do.
You guys want to see our Stick Animates? What's up? What's good? Welcome. You guys want to see our composter house, our Minecraft beta 1.7.3 house?
Are we showcasing?
Let's showcase it. Since
Okay.
since everyone's here right now, this is gonna be the grand showcase. All right. So I've been working.
Everyone's begging.
Oh yeah, everyone loves Composter. So I've been coding a Minecraft server implementation for beta 1.7.3 from like scratch, like complete scratch, and I added world saving. So we built a house on it just as like a fun, goofy, silly thing.
It was a very serious thing, actually.
Oh, sorry, my bad. It was a serious construction project.
Yes, super serious.
But as you can see, it works. The server works. It's a little bit buggy. Like, you know, you can break a block and you get blocks that you're not supposed to get, like bedrock. But you know, it's a work in progress. But this is our epic house over here. We built it out of bedrock as the roof, so that you know, if it rains, it would not penetrate to the roof. We got the torches, which are a little bit not attached, but you know, the feature for attaching torches has not been implemented yet. And then we got the we got the portal, which is cool. It's very loud. Sorry about that. This is our ore. We got the chest. It's a pretty long chest, but you know, it fits lots of items. There's about it's at least like 100 slots in this chest, so it's pretty cool. We got the piston head. We got the sponge. Huh? The cake?
Oh
yeah,
my
the
God,
cake is there.
stupid cake thing. I have
Cake.
like a 5-second delay. I can't see it.
Sorry, you guys. Yeah, the delay's a bit. Oh, I just turned down the music and not the sound. Whoops. Anyway, and then we got yeah. But anyways, I have been coding this, and so I'm very happy because now I have block placing implemented and stuff like that. Oh yeah, don't worry about the chat. That's a thing I was testing as a debug. Feels like a fever dream. Yeah.
It kind of is.
It is a fever dream, but if you guys are interested in checking the code out, I'll put the link in chat. I don't know if any of you are interested, but... Oh, shoot. I put a slash after that. But I've been working on it. It's just a side project. I'm looking to implement some physics and velocity and all that garbage soon, but I'm not a very, very good developer when it comes to all that stuff, so I'll have to learn. But anyway, that was the showcase. Hope you guys enjoyed.
I enjoyed it.
Smash like if you enjoyed.
I just smashed the like button so hard.
Why'd you break it? You broke the button.
No, that's why you're not getting any more likes.
That's
'Cause
the
I broke your
reason.
button. Yeah. I figured it out.
We figured it out. We solved the
Mhm.
mystery. Yeah, I'm implementing new pet types right now. I'm very, very excited about this. We're gonna have bogged in Minecraft soon. Have you seen the new bogged mob?
No.
You should
Should I
you should
look it up?
yeah, you should look at it. Or I can show on stream, but it's, you know, it's basically a mushroom
Bogged.
skeleton. It's like a swamp skeleton. You know how there's like a stray in
Yeah.
yeah. It's basically like that. There's like a stray in swamps.
That's literally what it is.
Yeah.
Why did people vote on that?
No, I think they just added it just
Oh,
cuz yeah. It's not like a mob vote item thing.
I was gonna say I don't know who's voting for that personally, but you know. Maybe it's just me.
Yeah, definitely if it was a mob vote thing, I don't know that anyone would necessarily vote on it. But yeah, it's not quite that. Stop yawning, you're gonna make me tired, and that's not
I'm so-
allowed.
Dude, I work too much. Right.
How did work go? What did you do
It's
today?
So boring.
Did you sell anything?
Yeah, actually. You know the frame picture like TV?
Is that like an LG, the LG one, or?
Yeah, it's like the one that like when it's off, it turns into like an actual picture display.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the whole pitch is that it's like all the way on the wall. And it's got its like own mount, or like it looks like an actual picture. Well, I sold that today, and
You sold a
apparently we hadn't
TV.
sold one of those like ever, because it's like $2,000. But
I'm surprised. Yeah, that's like a really expensive,
well, they were
basically a
saying-
novelty.
Yeah, I kind of like pitched it on him too. I thought it was pretty cool, but yeah,
It's a cool TV, honestly.
yeah, it is pretty sick. They were like, yeah, we like having the TV, but do you know any TVs that have like great screensavers? Because like
Oh.
we like having the TV, but at the same time, we don't really want like to have a TV be the center of our life.
Right.
And I'm like, I got an idea because they're already looking at like a $1,500 TV. They might as well.
Honestly.
And then they loved it.
Yeah, that's kind of what they were looking for then. It kind of sounds like.
Yeah. But then I undersold a woman on the laptop, so it canceled out.
You undersold?
Yeah, apparently over the walkie they said she was a nursing major, and I didn't recognize that, and I could have upsold her because
Because they make
nursing-
big money.
Well, No, I mean she's in college,
Oh, okay.
but I mean like you have to run simulations like medical
Ah,
simulations.
yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, I should have, but I sold her like a $500 laptop. I should have sold her like an $800 one, but it's fine.
Hmm.
I think it was fine.
I mean, who knows if they do need to run simulations on like their laptop necessarily.
Right. I don't know. My guy that's technically still in charge of me is kind of getting on me about it. But I think it's because they like upselling more than I do.
Yeah.
I don't really like upselling people, but
That's just sales, I guess, you know.
yeah. You ever heard this song?
Which
I'll
one?
send you a song. You ever heard this song?
I actually, yeah, I think I have. I recognize it.
It's actually such a good song.
I think I heard it like maybe 2020. Is that when that came out? Or well, it probably is. Yeah.
I'm listening to like chill J. Cole right now.
Hell yeah. I'm listening to Minecraft lo-fi soothing synths for mining blocks.
I saw.
I have to listen to copyright-free stuff, so you know that's what
I'm aware.
You know, YouTube's not as cool as Twitch. You know, they don't got the. Yeah.
You mean cool? You mean like breaking copyright infringement?
Yeah, they're not cool, bro. They don't let me break. They don't like me infringe on people's copyright. Like, God, what the hell?
Real.
Why don't they let me do that? Like, genuinely.
Alright, I'm gonna learn databases right now. Oh, I'm tired and after school. How long do you think it'll take?
What are you learning? SQL?
Yeah.
SQL. You will learn SQL very fast. It is an easy, light work sort of thing, and you will do great.
Yeah, because I'm realizing JSON dumping isn't the smartest. I don't know.
It's not very safe, or yeah, it's not very secure in terms of data storage because it can break easily. Like,
yeah. So
I store basically on my server. I have a shops plug, like a player shop, global shop plugin, right? And it stores like custom prices for every player depending on how much they buy and sell. And that's stored in a JSON, and I lost all of that data because my server like crashed once. And the JSON didn't save properly. And so it deleted all that data. And so if I had a database, if it crashed, at least there'd be some sort of prevention like against data loss. If I used like SQLite or something. So
I wonder if that would be the same. I mean, I implement my JSON dumping like every time, which is really inefficient. But like I dump every time a new user gets added, which I guess isn't that much, but it's still decent. Like I don't like it, so that's why I'm moving to your thing. All right, stopwatch has been started. No. We're gonna see how long this takes. All right. How to estimate Java. I'm gonna do it.
Do it, bro. You got this shit.
So you're doing text?
Oh shoot, no. Yeah, I have a weird, some weird bugs I'm fixing right now, and I'm also implementing like the new mobs into pets. So basically 2-in-1 sort of thing. Pets is always like one of the last plugins I have to fix before I can update the server to the new version. It's always annoying because it's always got bugs, which sucks.
What more do you have to do before it's on the 21?
Not much anymore. Like I already generated new chunks. I just have to like make sure all the plugins are working correctly, and pets is the one that's not really working correctly. So, and then once I do that, I can just kind of upload everything, extend the world border, upload the new chunk files, and then I should be good to go for the most part.
Do you have VO version on your dev server?
No, I don't run it on dev. I don't really need to, I guess.
No, you do, because I had 1.19 open. Oh wait, no, I didn't. Crap,
1.19 is old. That's like old news now.
1.8.9.
Oh, that's really old news.
Get ready to leak my IP on the internet.
Oh no. Well, how am I leaking it? Are you joining? Do you have access to the dev server?
Yeah, I hacked your computer.
Wait, did he actually hack? There are no whitelisted players. Wait. Is he actually? Is he opt? He's not opt. How does he access it? Oh no.
Well, I was just meaning I can see your IP address there.
Oh, this thing, yeah.
Server, yeah. So I could just join it, and either way, it'll like leak my IP, even
Well,
if it's like a failed join request.
That's actually wrong because that's not actually the IP. You can't.
No, it's not.
It's actually the IP is actually not shown on the screen right now.
What the heck? What's dev.survival?
That's just like a name for the actual for the allocation. I just called it dev.survival. It's not actually that.
That's stupid pterodactyl.
Pterodactyl.
That is how I will always pronounce
Pterodactyl.
Pterodactyl.
Oh
Dude,
my god.
I had to update Pterodactyl once. My hosting, and they got so mad at me because
Pterodactyl.
I kept on calling it that. I wouldn't stop. I thought you owned dev.survival, and I was gonna be really surprised.
I wonder. I don't think survival is like a top level domain name, but if it is, that would be kind of sick.
That'd actually be sick.
Like, what if I did like Minecraft.survival? That's my Firestarter server IP. That'd be crazy.
Like fire start, and like, you know, those ones that like carefully cut up the name of whatever they're doing into like the TLDRs.
Yeah, like they do like domain hacks sort of thing.
Yeah,
I think that's what it's called. Yeah.
I'm gonna do that. Trust.
Do it. Honestly, do it. I respect that. You should do it, and that would be cool.
Yes. Store patch map and grab a map when needed in Java. Flower. There's a dependency.
No.
Crap. Dude, my dependencies .pom is so large.
Pom.xml.
Yeah, I will never use Maven.
You mean Gradle?
Oh yeah, Gradle. No, I am using Maven. Yeah.
You're using Maven, yeah.
I don't know why. Maven just seems simpler, but
I don't know. I use Maven too, like for Composter. I don't use it for Firestarter because I just can't. Like some plugins are only on Gradle, like if you need build plugins or something. But if you don't need them, then don't need them, right? If you don't need them, you don't need them.
You were this. Oh, I can't sing. Sorry, you'll get copyrighted if my singing voice is that good.
If it gets copyrighted by you singing, I'd be incredibly surprised, to say the least.
What are you trying to say?
I'm just saying that I would just be surprised.
Hey, that's not nice.
What?
You mean?
It's funny. I laughed.
Yeah, I did too. Oh, I don't need to store these files within the dot. I'm stupid. Okay, so the whole thing I'm doing right now is useless, but I technically should learn how to do it.
You should. Dude, my average view duration is 16. Oh, I'm watching my own stream apparently. Oops. I just had it on in the background. 16:13. That's a insane view duration. That's more than my attention span.
This is gonna take a minute. My code works before, Let's hope it works after. I'm already
Hmm.
6 minutes in and I've done nothing.
You gotta do like your own live stream. You can like double stream. Have like two
Really?
POVs.
Your stream is half of it and mine's the other half.
Yeah. We're both struggling right now, just trying to get this stupid thing to work.
Real, except mine's much more basic than yours.
Yeah, yours is cool, and mine is uncool.
Yeah. Mine is Discord bots, which are cooler.
That's right.
Not really.
Vex pet attribute supplier. What the frick? It says it works, and then it just doesn't work.
Yeah. That wasn't very nice.
What happened? What's wrong here? Vex pet attribute supplier, attribute map. Yep. It works. Run executable. Run. Attribute map that get instance. Compute if absent. To get instance, supplier is null. Why is the damn supplier null?
Supplier be null.
See, it shouldn't be null because I literally give it here. It can't be null because it's right here and it says it's not null. So how is it ending up null? See, that's what I don't understand. Because it can never be null here. Although, wait. Attribute map, get instance, collect equipment changes. Alright, let's try that. Living entity. Collect equipment changes. It uses, let's see, line 3,267.
That's only a couple.
Something like, yeah, not really that big of a deal to be honest. I'm not gonna lie. Like, just like 2 lines or something, I don't know.
Couple.
Oh shit. Collect changes. Okay. So it calls the thing that says get attributes, not null. It runs. Runs get attributes and gets instance, which does that, and that's overridden. Empty chat. Yeah. Dead stream.
Dead stream.
I killed everyone off because I'm so boring.
Dude, he's really boring.
I'm boring. I'm boring people with boring code things. Except Selly Jelly. My #1 supporter. Woo!
Dude, I love Selly Jelly.
Selly Jelly, you're great. Dead like my channel. Alright.
Oh,
listen, just because I said it before doesn't mean you have to say it again, okay? Alright? Like it's funny. It's funny when it's that's fine.
He's crying right now.
I think I know why attribute map is broken, because
now it goes Russian.
Berlin. I think what happened, right, is that what does happen? I think attribute map is actually never null. I think that it's always not null, and so my fail. No, but that's not possible because it runs. So why is it breaking? Guys, I don't know why this isn't working. I really don't know why this isn't working.
You tried alter forwarding it?
I haven't posted in 5 years. I haven't. I should post.
Has it actually been 5 years?
I think it literally has been 5 years since like my last video, and I've been trying to come up with like a good next video to do, but yeah, it's been 5 years. Oh god. Poor Tech.
I thought he was
Wonder where
exaggerating.
No, I died. I stopped. I just stopped. I don't know how it's been 5 years, but it's been 5 years. Kind of makes me feel old.
That's crazy though.
Maybe I should make like a how to install Minecraft 1.21 fabric, and then I'll get 1 million views.
Right.
But that'd be boring. Cause
No.
boring. Okay, I'm going to try to debug this a little bit more. How could you, Tech? We trusted you. I never.
This is like the longest driver.
Yeah, Igel. Yeah, he's been here since like day one, bro. He's an OG.
You remember him?
Yeah, big OG.
Yeah.
He's been here since my first video in probably like 2015 or something. I don't know. That's
Dang.
That's a long time, bro. Oh my god. It's like 9 years ago, basically. Do you know 2015 is almost a decade like ago? That's
No,
crazy.
not really.
That's crazy. 2015 was a big year, honestly. Big year for tech.
Big year for technical toolbox.
Well, like tech, me, but also big year for like technology in general, I guess. That's what I was trying to say.
Oh, I got you.
And that's when I started my YouTube channel, because I was like, oh my god, I love technology, bro. I should make tech videos and call it Tech Toolbox. Because I wanted to make my YouTube channel like Technology Unboxed or something initially, because I saw a bunch of unboxing videos and I wanted to do those too. So that's where the box part came from, but then I'm like, I can't do Technology Unboxed. Tech Toolbox, that's close enough. Let's do that. That's how I came up with that.
Dude, this is like the lore.
The lore, you get the lore. If you're here right now, you get the exclusive lore.
That's so crazy.
You get the real, unmodified, exclusive lore. Unironically, the best lore.
Create your database. Alright, it works. I just don't know how to do it. Let's see. I think I'm a beast. No, no suitable driver. Oh.
I really don't understand what could possibly be causing this to break. Oh wait. Interesting. Maybe that's what's wrong. Maybe this is what's wrong. Maybe I figured it out. Maybe I cracked the code. Wait a minute.
You're so close.
Hold up. On God. No cap.
Hmm?
No cap. I have to look through the logs and see when it first starts breaking. Okay. Get attributes is ran when the entity is initialized first. So what if I, instead of doing this garbage, I go ahead and attribute map, which gets created here. Map. Let me go into living entity. Get attributes. Attribute map. When does this get initialized in an entity? It's equal to that. I am so big brain smart, awesome, amazing. I think this is why this is not working, and I'm gonna fix it right now.
You're so smart, dude. I'm the only person in this stream besides you, bro. Bro, what do you mean I'm here? Yeah.
Yeah, High Purity's here, bro. He's like, he counts as 10 people.
Hey. Can't make fun of me like that. I'm not that fat.
You're not fat at all. What? You're not fat at all. That's not what I meant. I just meant you're like so cool that you're like 10 people.
Oh. Also shooting. Bro.
Wow.
He's just making fun of me. I included the Maven. Alright. Will you let me know?
Okay. I think if I move this further up, then we might replace craft attributes. What does that do? That changes that. Oh, okay. Okay, well, I don't know if that's gonna work, but I'm gonna just try it. And hopefully it works, but we'll see. No, my lo-fi ended. I'm gonna watch 1995 Windows lo-fi now. Jeez, dude. This shit's insane. Liminal spaces. Let's go. I'm getting so hyped right now.
Oh yeah. I'm very hyped right now.
Oh yeah, I gotta turn that up. Turn that Spotify up. That's definitely Spotify. It's called Spotify in my OBS, but it's actually like YouTube. You know, I don't even use Spotify anymore, but it's fine.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
He was in the Nether and I lended him toy pick with mending 2 and he left. Any way you can get it back? I could. Is his name literally Emart? Like, is that his actual full username?
Don't worry, I'll handle this. Just give me operator and we'll ban him.
Yeah, he's High Purity's gonna take care of you.
Yeah. I'm very responsible.
Emart65. Alright. I'll do it for you on stream. On stream. I'm logging on to Firestarter, guys. Never before seen or done. I'm logging on.
I'm gonna introduce you.
Active banning. Yeah. I'm gonna ban. Wait. Isn't Emart? Oh, he's here. Okay. Silk F. Unbreak 10. That's Unbreak 3. I don't see a toy pick here. The goods. How about the other goods? Yeah, there ain't no pick in his chest. I'm being scammed right now. I'm being scammed. Hearth. Yeah. Hearth.
Yeah, why is that the world name?
It's just the server name. It's not really the world. Well,
Server event. What? Event down?
yeah, no events, guys. Sorry.
Nebula.
Work in
You need to set up
progress.
a bunch of work.
It's a velocity. It's velocity, bro. It's velocity.
No, it needs to be bungee cord.
Ew, bungee cord.
Why? Bungee cord better.
Bungee cord like smells. It's like old. It's like old news, bro.
It's actually so old, but I love it. Bang!
Alright, what does Matt want me to do here? I got Emart. Sign it. Sign it. Oh, sorry, Matt, my game crashed. My bad, guys. I hate when that happens.
It actually did crash.
Yeah, it crashed. You saw it on stream, right? It
Yeah.
crashed, right, Purity?
I did. I did.
Okay, good.
I'm gonna take someone's pet real quick.
good.
2014 Haunts Civic SE.
Wait, what? Is that Honda Civic?
2006 Haunts 1500 SLE here. Look what I
SL.
found. Look at these things I found.
Wait, send me a picture. Send me photo, bro.
You check the screen share.
Oh, okay. Hans Civic. Wait, what's that one? Hans F250 Super Duty.
Oh,
Like
Super
Ford.
Duty.
Like Ford, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know cars, bro. Oh my god, I'm so
Oh.
Why did you do that?
I don't know. Come back here. Come back here.
Over there.
Hold on, I'll bonk it back over there.
Entity. I'm gonna try entity registry. I'm
I'm gonna
going
fix it.
to shelve this real quick.
Alright, there we go. Now it's in the general direction of where it needs to be. The spaghetti online for spaghetti is not online.
Okay, I'm gonna shelve that. Frick! I just shelved. Oh, never mind. Never mind. We're good. I thought I shelved everything, and that would have sucked if I shelved everything.
/ unshelve.
/ unshelve. We do not want to shelve anything. Yeah, I think the reason everything's broken is because I tried to make a change to like make this code better, and then it just didn't make it better, and it broke. So now I'm gonna reverse it, and I'm gonna see if it works. And if it does work, then I'm just gonna say screw it, and keep everything as is, and just hope it works. Because I'm a little bit tired of trying to get this to work.
Oh yeah, I'm supposed to be doing databases right now. Okay.
Me every time. I get distracted so easily. It's kind of a problem. Like, I'm like, yeah, today I'm going to sit down, I'm going to get this, and this done. And then I get like half of the first item done because I get distracted.
I never get distracted. I don't know what you're talking about.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just like a sharpshooter.
You're like a shark.
Yeah,
Like
precisely.
a shark. Baby shark. Do 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 do.
Baby shark.
Do 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 do. Dude. Baby shark. Do 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 do. I really should probably upload on this channel. It'd probably help like unkill the channel. Cause you know, even though I stream on it, the stream VODs don't really like get views. I mean, that's not something that like gets recommended to people, so
Right.
doesn't help revive the channel even if I stream on it.
I don't get why it's not loading the data.
Dead channel. Dead channel. Dead. Alright. I call it. Damn, okay. Still doesn't work. So I guess it wasn't really my changes that broke it. Something's really wrong with some pets. Like wolves don't work. But armadillo... Oh. Oh, balls. Armadillos also don't work. But they used to work. How about Vex? Vex also doesn't work. How about Drowned? Drowned also doesn't work. Oh, frick. That ain't good. No, nothing works. That's worse than I started off at.
Good job.
He is 9.99k subs, randomly getting a notification. Yeah, and then they'll unsub. Everyone's gonna unsub. They're like, who's this guy? I don't remember subbing to him. And then I'll go back to under 4k subs, and then I'll hit 4k subs again for the 7th time in a row. I'm basically seeing...
So funny.
I'm just trying to see how many times... Yeah. Trying to see how many times I can hit the same sub goal, you know?
It's epic challenge.
Yeah. If I had 100k subs and I went under 100k and then I got 100k again, would I get another YouTube play button? Like, would I get like...
Oh yeah, definitely.
2 YouTube play buttons or like a 3rd YouTube play button? Like, hypothetically. Not that I'll ever hit that. Like, even close, but like...
Dang, that's my laptop. Dude, you're sending my MacBook Air to another planet. Oh, it's because I'm running your video at 1080p.
Oh, frick, yeah.
Well, let's put that down to 720. But it works pretty well.
It works well. Oh my god.
Yo.
Wait a minute. Unshelve the changes. Frick. Balls. Patched version. Yes. 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 Yup. Yep, do that. Yep. Perfect. Yep.
Yeah.
Accept. Apply. Perfect. Oh, yeah, they changed something with attributes in the new Minecraft version, you know, and it's just not doing it. So I think what I'll do in this case...
Well, I gotta go play Bed Wars.
Playing Bed Wars?
You want to join us in a little bit?
Yeah, maybe a little bit. I'm gonna keep working on this for now, because I have to, you know, I kind of just have to.
Oh, really?
But, maybe a little bit later, yeah? I'll message you.
Okay, yeah. I would keep coding, but I'm tired and it's not really working. So
I get you. Can't always code.
Yeah, I don't want to give up on it. I'm just being stupid, but...
Can't always be coding. I get it.
Yeah. You code not coding anyways. But my friend wants to play, so if you want to play, you send DM and then we do the thing.
Yes, we play. Yes. I will let you know.
Yeah. Alright, well, I'm gonna go see him now. You let me know.
Okay. Have fun.
I go
Get big wins.
I win many game.
Yes. See ya.
Mini game. Bye.
Bye. God, finally that guy's gone. Oh my god. What a nerd. Jeez, bro. Finally. Oh my god. Woo. Joking, of course. Joking. Okay. Well. Kind of at the same place I've been about an hour ago. And can't create a bogged yet, so bogged still doesn't work. I have to figure out why bogged isn't working. How about we just like... How about... Let's see here. here? Get attributes. I do have to revert that change, so let me go ahead here, find where that was, and then revert it. Okay. Yeah, something's gotta be like overriding whatever this is doing. Because I really don't understand how get attributes here can ever be null. So yeah, I'm gonna do clean package. I'm gonna upload the jar. And I'm gonna just see what happens if I revert all of my changes here that I did recently. You know, the best thing that can happen is that it works. The worst thing that can happen is that it doesn't work, which is fine, but that would suck. I also have to find anything that Camel's registered in, and then I have to register, Armadillo. Not Armadillo, I have to register Bogged in the same way I registered Camel. Don't worry, Matt. I'll get you that goat horn, like one day. Yeah, one day I will. But you have a you have a good rest of your day or evening. Thanks for stopping by. Case Camel. Did I add a case for Bogged? I did. I think the one place I didn't register it is, I didn't register the actual my... No, I did, okay. Let's see here. Okay, perfect. Good night, dude. Have a good rest of your night. Yeah, this one issue's got me like really tired now. It just sucks when you like hit a roadblock like that and then you just can't really figure it out. But it is what it is. I mean, I'm sure like I'll wake up tomorrow first thing in the morning. I'll jump on it and be like, "Oh, that's why it's not working." Cuz it's always like that. Like you take a break, you come back to it and then it just like is like obvious how to fix something. But when I'm sitting in front of here trying to do it all at once, it's like kind of hard. Especially if I'm streaming, like I can't just like get up and go take a break for like an hour, so. I'll do what I can for today. I'll try to get as much done as possible, and then I'll just have to kind of realize that the rest is gonna have to be done another day, unfortunately, but that's okay. Like, I don't think this is... Okay, that works. And yeah, that doesn't work. So something's really wrong here. Like, some pets work, some pets don't work. Some get registered, some don't get registered. That's another issue for another day. But what I will do right now, just to just to get this over with, at least this phase, I will be implementing the breeze. I do want to check to see if breeze implements blaze, but it doesn't look like it does. So let's just make a breeze class. I will actually just copy the blaze one, because a breeze and a blaze is like close enough to the same thing in my head, and it'll just be a starting point anyway. What's food for a breeze? What would a breeze like to eat other than breeze rods, which seems a little bit weird because it would eat its own rods, which sounds a little bit ungood. Breeze rods, wind charges. Let's see here. What's something that's adjacent to breezes and wind? Yeah, I think I'll keep it as gunpowder for now, which is fine. Gunpowder works as a temporary placeholder. I'll also go and get the other MyBlaze class, and I'll copy it, and I'll implement it as MyBreeze. And I'll just say MyBreeze here. Perfect. There's no on fire, so I don't really have to do anything for that. The actual type, I do have to implement a breeze type. So I will do that here. Oops. Breeze, call it breeze. It was implemented in 1.21. MyBreeze. And then in version 1.21, it is called a breeze. These compatibility things really don't, like, they're pointless, to be honest. Because this plugin was initially made to run across multiple versions at the same time. It's not anymore. I mean, I only maintain like one version of it, so yeah, I don't really need that, to be honest. Another thing that I need to check right now is to make sure that it's actually getting registered, because I think sometimes if the min version is not what's removed here? Removed. Is removed. No, okay. Yeah, I think what I have to do here is just check Minecraft version. To make it so it actually registers the bogged, I think it just doesn't like 1.21 as a version. So I'll just return true here. And then to do this entire versioning compatibility system is no longer necessary. That'll effectively just disable this system. So that's fine. We'll just delete it later, but for now we'll just do that. That should make our bogged at least register along with the breeze. My pet type. Okay, perfect. So breeze and bogged should register correctly. And then I just have to implement a class for the breeze, which I will use the blaze class. As I've been doing, I'm just going to copy paste it, call it entity my breeze. And then also for the egg icon service, I do have to add breeze in here. So I'll do a case for breeze, and then breeze spawn egg. I do wonder if there's a way to check automatically for the spawn egg in Minecraft, but I'm not gonna worry about that right now. And then I believe I need to add breeze in here as well. And it will be breeze.create default attributes. That's perfect. Entity my breeze. Burning watcher does not exist because that's not a thing breezes do. Projectile deflection. And I guess the only thing I really need to do is the sounds, so Death sound, breeze death. Entity.breeze. I wonder if I can do that. Let's see here. Sound event dot breeze death dot toString. Nope, that won't work. How about dot get location? That probably also won't work. So I'm just gonna keep it simple here. Breeze. This is for lighting a blaze with flint and steel, which is not gonna need to happen ever. If it can glide, yeah, breezes can glide, so we'll use the same code from the blaze for that one. Same for that. Can fly, true, perfect. Don't need to register the burning watcher because that doesn't actually exist, and this should be changed to my breeze. And I think that is pretty much the breeze implemented. I do want to make it use projectiles, the wind charge projectile instead of like snowballs or something. For the time being, doesn't really matter. I will implement that sooner or later though. And let's build this. Perfect. So that will build all of that for us. I do actually wonder where these attribute static things get used. Here, create attributes. They get used in a class called default attributes in Minecraft. And then suppliers, it gets used here. Okay, so I think instead of this class here, can't I just... I'm curious now. I will try this real quick. I think instead of using this class, I can just use the default Minecraft built-in one, so I won't have to update this ever for version updates. So maybe let's give that a shot. I think that might actually work. Armor stand is certainly not a living type though. But everything else should work here. So let's try it. Let's do that. So for the actual list here, we'll do... Actually, armor stand is a living entity. Okay, we're good. So instead of my default attributes, what we can do here is... remove all of this, because we don't need this. And then for this, all we need to do here is somehow get the custom type from the list. What we can actually do probably is default attribute dot put. I think I have entity registry technically. Let me check here. I'll do public static void register all, and then I'll do entity registry, so I'll pass the registry, and I think technically I could... I don't know if I want that though. Oh, I see what's wrong with this. I just realized what the actual bug was in the first place. Wow, I just realized what the bug was. Okay. Well, I guess I'll tell you guys what the bug is if you are interested. I've just been completely not brained. Basically, static attribute puts this in here. Oh my god. Okay, I don't even want to look at that. I think I know what the bug was here, but let's just implement this. Fast map we don't need anymore. Let's just do hash map here. Register register custom entity type. That's the custom type. And then it's also the root type. I'm gonna rename root type to Minecraft type here. And then for this, I need to do default attribute dot put. And for the custom type, that'll be fine. And then for the actual, I'll do default attributes dot get supplier Minecraft type. Perfect. So that'll use the Minecraft class here, so I won't ever have to really bother with that. And then the get attribute class here will work. So I believe, unless this was not the actual bug, which it might not have actually been, I think I got a little overconfident there on the fact that it was actually the issue. But I believe we might be somewhat in the clear here. And if we're in the clear, that would be good, because then I don't have to look at this class ever again in my life, hopefully. Perfect. Cool. Let's go ahead. What you're missing out on? I'm missing out on Bed Wars with Sleepy Joe 1000 right now. Holy crap. Alright. You've been blocked from the server from grieving that I didn't do. Uh-oh. Gonna have to check that out later. Someone got banned. Someone got banned and they want to appeal. Okay, I think I saw an error. And I saw an error here too, actually. Huh. Okay, looks like there's an error now, but that might lead us on to whatever the issue was. So it's going to be an entity registry. It'll be in register entity line 102, and then get type ID. Type ID is id.get. Did I mess up here somewhere and put like a null type ID or something? Let's check. It might have been the breeze that I messed up, but I don't think I did. I believe we are good here. Object.toString. Wonder why type ID. Oh, ID is a compat ID actually. And get is default value, found value, default value. Default value is null. Default value is set by this, which is search. So what I'll do here is... Huh. So it doesn't really like 1.21 as like a thing. That's probably what's happening here. I'm just gonna do 1.20.5 because I know that works. And maybe that'll work. Yeah, this whole compatibility layer system that they added is a little bit annoying because it just is unnecessary, I guess, for me at the moment. It's causing some issues with my registration stuff, but that's alright. Hopefully we'll be okay here. Once it recompiles, I'll upload it and then it's gonna work. Okay. Well, looks like there's no errors on the console this time. So it looks like it loaded correctly. My only error is gonna be probably when I try to, yeah, use Rob. Something's really weird with these, like, some mobs. Like, it's only happening really on mobs that are a bit unusual. Like the Ghast, the Vex, or sorry, the Ghast, sorry. The Ghast probably works fine. Yeah, the Ghast is alive. But when I do like Strider, it seems to work fine. It just seems like the Vex is not working. So I don't know what's wrong with the Vex. And if I do Zombie Villager, it works. Like most of these work, which is the weird part. It's just a select few of these. I mean, Giants. Yeah, Giant's broken. Sheep works. Like most of these work. Which is so strange to me. But anyway. Create, key to chips, bogged. Let's switch to my bogged mob. Looks like bogged does not work. No enum constant. My pet class. Oh, okay. My pet class. Believe that's what I didn't register here, yeah. So it'll be Breeze, my Breeze. And we'll also need bogged. My bogged.class. I wonder if Vex is in here. What'd you miss? Not much. I got a little closer to getting this to work. Still have some mobs that don't work in my pets plugin, but most of them work, and I implemented Bogged and Breeze, which I'm about to test out. Your PC died though. That sucks. Did it blue screen or something? Did it just freeze out completely? Alright. Yeah, I have to figure out why Vex is, like, specifically. Maybe it's something with the actual class here, Entity My Vex. That's something I haven't even thought about. Like, maybe something here is changing that's causing it to break. But I don't think so. Like, Giant's probably one of the easiest classes, the simple ones. And it still doesn't work. So I don't know. Anyways, let's try my bogged / pet store / pet switch. Okay, bogged did not work. Let's try to look for bogged. I did add it. I don't know. Maybe it didn't build or something. Maybe I didn't. Did I upload it? I uploaded it at 6/8/27. Yeah, for some reason that didn't add into there. Let me try pet admin create key to chips Breeze. See if a Breeze will work. Yeah, Breeze looks like it also didn't work there. So I'm gonna check to make sure before I upload that the jar is actually getting the types added to it, but let's check here. It's going to be in my pet entity, my pet class. Okay, let's check. Entity, my pet class. Breeze and bogged. Perfect. So that should work fine there. So if I go ahead and upload those right there. And I restart the server, we should have Breeze and Bogged working. I'll have to write down that Vex is not working. I think that's one of the only ones that really is going to affect people. Other ones like... Yeah, I mean other ones like a Giant really don't matter that much right now, but... Vex is kind of an issue, and I don't really know why that one's not working. Might be because it's like not an animal mob or something. What's Vex look like in actual Minecraft? Dude, I got 362 dropped frames. That sucks. Wonder why that happened. Vex. Let's see here. Does Vex like return? No, it returns attributes. I don't know why. That's so peculiar, if I'm being honest. Why that's not working, but... And this should have Vex in here too, I think. Vex attributes, yeah. Oh well. Let's see if my 2 new mobs work. If they work, I'll be happy for that for today. There you go, we got Bogged. A little Bogged dude, bro. He's very happy. He jumps around. Yippee! And then you can't shear him now. I don't know if I will add shearing for that, but it's fine. And then we got Breeze, which you can ride. Very cool. And I gotta make it throw out wind charges at mobs it's unhappy at. Because, of course, you can make it aggressive. But, for the time being, that's fine. So I'm going to just go ahead and select all these changes. I'm actually going to remove any prints that I added. I don't believe I did, but let me just double check here. Make sure I didn't add any. Yeah, we should be good. Okay, perfect. And I'll call this initial 1.21 changes. Breeze and Bogged. And I will add this to the commits. So let's see here. Boom, 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 boom. All of these need to be added to version source control. And I will commit all of that. Ranged attack. Perfect. Let's commit all that. And I will push it to the repository here, so I don't lose the source code. Oh, I never fetched it. Wait a minute. Oh, let me check here. Might have to do a merge. Yeah, git pull. I have to do a merge here in 7 files. Frick. All right. Well, that's fine. Let's do a merge. Resolve merge conflicts. Never mind, this is the only one that I have to do, I guess. Update the jar plugin. And add that. And that's it. Okay, cool. Perfect. Now I can upload my changes. Oh my god, my computer's lagging so bad I can't even type. Okay, perfect. Chore merge. And that's all updated there. Perfect. Cool, that's all done. So, I guess, where are we at right now? The only other issue that's happening right now is just stuff that I didn't implement. There's about 5 items. And those items need to be sorted out. Also, Night Market's broken, but I believe that's just a configuration issue. Let me check here. Breeze ambient was not found. Alright, let's also fix that. What does Breeze make when it's just ambient? Okay, ambient sound. Breeze idle ground or idle air? Okay. Let's do that real quick. Before that, I will be putting on some more music. Okay, so it looks like Breeze just has 2 ambient sounds. If it's on the ground, or if it's on the air. So I'm going to do that real quick here. So this should be pretty easy actually, pretty much the exact same thing, except I have to do the string version of it. So it'll be Breeze idle ground, or Breeze idle air. Perfect. So now Breeze has idle sounds, which is cool. This should have the whoosh, little whoosh sounds. So I'll commit those soon. Night market just looks like it's got just an error with the configuration. So I'm not going to worry about night market. I'm like 100% sure it works fine. Which is more than I can say for some other things. So cool. And let's figure out what our to-dos are here. So this is the first to-do that I haven't done yet. Something about attributes, what resource location is. Let's go to the 1.21 update for Java Edition and then check the attributes section. Oops, attribute, oh my god, attribute. UUID and name arguments have been replaced with a singular ID argument. So, namespace ID of the attribute modifier. And attribute modifiers are now uniquely identified by namespace ID. So let me go ahead and check here. There is a program online called MC Stacker, or a website I should say, that can generate items with attributes. So I want to see what it does for the attribute names, whether it just randomly generates a string or what it does. But I will do /give. Let's say the item is basalt, and I want to add some attributes to it. Attribute modifiers. Is it seriously that hard to do? What is seriously that hard to do? What specifically? Alright, armor, operation, base, let's do 6 when it's in the chest. And it does ID, it just says ID armor. Okay. Add attribute for armor, and we'll call it... Oh, okay, so you can just change the ID here, and UUID is not a thing that you can add anymore. Okay, well, I think what I'll have to do for this is kind of what I did before, just with an ID. Update to 1.21. I mean, the update itself, like updating the Minecraft server is not hard. That's mostly a drag and drop. The hard part is updating plugins and systems like that. What I don't show on the stream is obviously also like generating new chunks and stuff like that, which itself isn't that hard. It's just time consuming. But yeah, updating plugins can be a bit of a pain. At least for my custom plugins, there's a lot of changes I've had to do. So I've been working through it. But anyways, let's see, Minecraft attribute modifier. I do have to import that here. I think I deleted my import that I had there a while ago. Perfect. And then let's do registries here. Registries attributes, and I added an extension function for this called holder, so it just should save me some time here on actually getting things here. Perfect. Alright, and then the only thing I have to change is the UUID method, which I will have to figure out here. And this also looks like buy slot was removed, so I'll have to figure out what's wrong with that. And let's see here. Minecraft attribute modifier is, it looks like, is an ID, an amount, and an operation. So we have ID, amount, operation. And let me see here. Operation. Yeah, okay, perfect. So the attribute is not actually stored in the modifier section. It's stored as a separate thing, I suppose. Okay, that's fine. And then what I'll do here is I'll just do a little bit of a hacky thing here, but I'll do resource location dot with, or sorry, namespaced, and I'll say attribute count, and then modifier count dot 2bytes. Actually, toString. And I'll have to print this out in game. I believe it should be fine though. Value is amount. Should be good there. And I believe that should work. The only other thing I gotta do is this equipment slot group, which looks like by slot was removed. So I'll have to find something that does similar things. Let's see here. Equipment slot group get. I will have to check this here, see what Minecraft does for that. Update modifiers with modifier added. Equipment slot group is random. That doesn't really help me there. And then this also does not really help me. So I need to figure out how I can get an equipment slot group. Get slot group from attribute modifier. That's not very helpful. I guess what I'll have to do is implement that myself. So I guess I will make an extension function here. And the way I'll have to do this is I'll have to go through all the groups and just test if they are functional. Or if this works, Minecraft slot dot group, which I don't think it will. Let's see, group, anything about group? Nope, none at all. Equipment slot dot type is hand, humanoid armor, or animal armor. Animal armor is body type. Let me see here. Let me go back to my thing here. Get NMS group. What does it do here for slot group? I don't think it does anything, actually. Not really sure. I guess. Huh. Wait a minute. Equipment slot group by slot. Wait a minute. It still exists. I'm so confused right now. Equipment slot group by slot does exist. It's just taking an equipment slot, which it is. So why doesn't that work? Wait, what's wrong here? Maybe this is just... Oh, okay. I see what's wrong. Okay. Equipment slot group is actually implemented by Bukkit now. But I need the Minecraft one. Okay, perfect. That should fix everything that I needed to do there. To do 1.21 test. Check how looting's handled internally, and then simplify this. Oh brother, that's a hell of a thing there. Simplify if possible. Okay, I think I can maybe check how the enchanted book in Minecraft is rendered. Enchanted book item. I am being called. I will be right back. Oh, intermission. Okay, hi. I'm going to end stream now at this moment. So yeah, thank you all for joining in. I was really trying to get this all done today and hopefully have the Firestarter update ready. It is almost ready. I mean, it's pretty much ready. I do have a couple little things I need to finish up here, but yeah, not much more to do, to be honest. So thank you all for watching. As always, I'll probably be live again either maybe I'll stream when I'm actually doing the server update, like when I take the server down and it's actually down, and I'll show you guys what I do to actually get everything ready then. But for the time being, that is all. So I hope you all have a good rest of your evenings, and until next time, I'll see you later. And I'm going to click stop streaming now.